Want to know how to reduce noise or enable noise cancellation using OpenVINO? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application, and now once you have done that here, you should be seeing, or you should be welcomed with this page right here. So you can just simply head towards File, select Import, and import any audio that you like. Now once you've imported any audio, you can just simply double click on it and then select Effect right here on top. Now once you selected Effects, here you should be seeing OpenVINO AI effects. So we have also created a video on how to install and enable OpenVINO, so make sure to watch it. Now here you should be seeing noise suppression. So just simply select noise suppression right here, which should suppress noise and remove him. So just simply select the noise suppression model. I would suggest the latest model. You can also see the advanced options for attenuation limit. So you can also see more of its details right here. And once you're done, just simply select apply right here, and after a while your noise suppression should start compiling. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.